As you can see, we are on our desktop. We will open terminal, means command prompt, and run it as an administration. We'll give a yes here. We will enter pip install label studio and enter. In my computer it is already installed, so it is giving me required satisfied. Okay, and here we will enter label dash studio. This prompt will open our label studio on a local host 8080. So as you can see, it has opened our user, and here we will enter ID and password. If you don't have an ID password, you can create an account from here. I will log in, and this is our dashboard, as you can see.